Hey, welcome back to Dutch Chat Builds. My name is Jerome, and this video is all about making a tray. So today is going to be a quick video about putting in the tray. Basically, I've made this template from cardboard. This is the second one actually. This was the one I had before. Unlike the other GS, this is going to be a single piece, and it makes it a lot easier for me to do. I can do one piece because I don't have to put the battery down as I did with the other one, because the battery will be on top instead of underneath. So I want to make a nice flat tray, which you won't even be able to see from the side. I'm going to put the regulator underneath as I did with the other one, and all the other stuff like the grounds, the tricky unit, the star solenoid, and all the wiring and stuff. It's all going to be in here, and there's plenty of room for that. But I need to weld in a piece of steel. I've gotten a lot thicker steel than I had before, so this will be easier for me to weld, because the other one I just cooked right through it. That made it really hard for me. So this will be easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to translate this cardboard onto this piece of steel, cut it out, and just work it until it fits nice and well, and then just tack it with the welder. So as soon as I've got that in, I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put all the different pieces, because they may need mounting points, like the tricky unit and stuff like that. And the starter solenoid, so it'll be nice and firm in here. I can weld those in as well, and then I think I've got most of the stuff done to the frame, and I might even be able to get it to the powder coaters. So yeah, but first we got to do this. So let's pick it up where I left it, and let's trace over the cardboard. So this is how the tray came out after all that welding. I think I did pretty good. It's got this little edge here. I'm not sure I'm going to do them. I haven't used a grinder yet, so I could grind this down a bit. Came out a little bit tilted, so it's a bit of a shame, especially over here. It's got like a little edge here, but I can grind that away, I think, and smooth it out a bit, maybe with some filler, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I don't want to use a filler anymore, really. But other than that, it's flat. You won't be able to see that tray at all, and that is what I wanted. So from this side, when you look at the frame, you really can't tell that the tray is there. It's like totally hidden. And that is just really what I wanted, so I'm pretty happy with it. So that is the video on the tray. Came out nice, I think. I was really happy with using slightly stronger steel than the one I did before. It was easier to weld, for me at least, with my skill set. There is some work which I see now, but well, it doesn't really matter. I've got enough room to put in the tricky unit, or I have to scratch that. Got enough room now to put in the X21 with thanks and help from Al and NWT, which is really, really cool. So I'm going to make a video about that. This one's going to go. I'm going to put in these. This is going to go here. And of course, the buttons will go on the handlebars. And this will go here. Now that is so small. That will fit. Put the battery here. Put the starter solenoid. Maybe put this here underneath. Be nice and protected. Starter solenoid here. Got the CDI as well. Trying to get out the layout for this. Now as you can see, I've got the old wiring here. I'm going to get rid of it completely and do a wiring with the X21 and new wiring. But before I do that, I have to do the frame first, because with all the electrics going in, you run it through the frame and stuff like that. It has to be painted. You can't do the electrics and then paint it. So I'm going to clean up the tray. I've got some like rough edges from the welding and stuff. Maybe have a small look underneath. I haven't been able to do that because it's completely assembled right now. And have a look underneath. Maybe grind some things down, but then give this thing color. As soon as that's done, we can do the electrics, and then we'll do a full install on the X21 with the buttons, the same as the tricky unit basically. Yeah, and we'll have a nice comparison between the two GS450s that I've got, the one with the M unit, the other one with the X21. And I can talk about the differences between the two, price-wise, function-wise, if the installation is different or harder or the same maybe, if there are any differences at all. So looking forward to making the video, but I really need to do the frame first. The other reason is because it's starting to rust, because I'm too slow. So sorry about that. But yeah, at least the welding went fine. I think when you look at the bike from the side, it's really like I wanted it to. That's the goal I'm going for, like the complete flat side look. You can't see that there's a tray. You just see the frame itself. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe, leave a comment, ask questions if you want to. Be happy to help you out if I can. Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one. I don't know what that's going to be. Daily Rider, this one, my first GS, which I'm working on as well. The only thing I'm not working on is the Honda behind me. That's I still need a lot of stuff for that. But anyway, see you soon. Kickback is in about a week from now, so I'm looking forward to that. God save the Queen. Cheers.